How to mute one clip in CapCut. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open up CapCut application in your mobile device and select your project. Now, if your clip is on separate track, you can just tap onto a clip. Then you can simply tap on mute clip audio, and just like that, that will be muted. To mute a single clip, you want to go ahead and simply select the clip and then simply tap on this volume button and make sure it is set to 0. After that, simply tap on this little icon. Now, if you would like to mute a part of a clip, move the playhead, then tap on split, then move again, then tap on split again. After that, select the middle part, and now tap on this volume button one more time and set it to 0. That's it. You can now mute any part of the video in CapCut easily. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.